What is up, Paradise Crew? I hope all is well with you guys. We have another fantastic day for you all, and I'm super excited to say it's another date day.
It's date day!
Woo woo! So today we have the adventure challenge, and what's on the docket? What's in the date for today?
We don't know yet because we have to scratch it off, remember?
Yep.
Great. I want to do ask your parents.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. What do you think it might be?
I'm really not sure, but it says it could take anywhere between 1 and 5 hours.
Okay.
We could spend anywhere from $0 to $50.
Okay.
You need a camera, which
all right.
check.
Check.
We might have to go somewhere to complete the challenge, which might be a challenge in itself.
Right.
And we need a babysitter.
Well, we don't have any kids, so.
Then we're good.
Then we're good. So guys, she's going to scratch off this date to see what is all involved. But if it says ask your parents, I'm wondering if it's going to be an awkward question where we have to ask them things.
I'd rather ask my parents things. I'd be more nervous if like we have to go out and like talk to people.
What if
like
we have to ask
public?
each other's parents things?
Oh,
I have to ask your parents stuff and you have to ask mine things.
I don't know about that.
That would be crazy. Let's jump right in.
Okay. This shall be fun. There's a couple parts to this.
Okay.
Okay, so part 1. Call your parents or grandparents and ask them about their first memorable date. 2. Get specifics. What they noticed about each other, where they went, what they were wearing. Okay. Attempt to recreate the date.
Ooh.
That might be interesting. 4, capture your date with a video or cute picture and send it to your parents or grandparents. That's so sweet.
That'd be cool. Yeah, my mom would love that. I wonder what their first date was. I think it was a walk in a park, to be honest.
Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah. So my parents grew up in Louisiana, and there wasn't a lot to do.
I mean, our first date was at Walmart, so.
It's not true. There's context behind that story. If you want to know the story of our first date, let us know in the comment section below. Maybe we'll tell it.
That would be so funny. So yeah, let's call our parents.
All right, let's do it.
Hello.
Hello, sorry about that.
We're calling because we're trying to do our adventure challenge, and it says to call our parents.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah. So we're supposed to ask you about your first memorable date.
Oh, okay.
And what you did, and what you noticed about each other, and what you were wearing.
Well, I don't know about that, but our first memorable date, it was our first official date. We went to, it was a double date with Auntie and Uncle Roddy. And we went to Eaton Park. Okay. And at that time, you could order veal parmesan, because they don't serve that anymore, with spaghetti. Okay. And me and Daddy had that, and I knew right away that he was the one for me, because if you can eat spaghetti in front of someone, you know, he's a keeper. And then we went up to the amphitheater in the mountains. Aww. That's when it was operating. And we saw Music Man, which was very good. And it was really nice because during intermission, like Auntie and Uncle Roddy went probably to the snack area, but me and Daddy just stayed in our seats and we looked up at the stars and talked.
That's so sweet.
It is so sweet. And then we went back to our house on Highland Avenue, and you know, Grandma and Pap were talking to Daddy, and we sat and talked with them for a little bit, and then that was our first official date.
That's so nice. We went to Walmart.
That's hard to compete with.
That's hard to compete with.
It was a very nice date.
Well, that was interesting.
Well,
Your parents always answer the phone, and that was funny that they didn't answer in the first time.
Well, she answered. She just had to call me back.
Let's see if mine answers.
Okay.
Let's go with my mom.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Let's try my dad. He might answer.
Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Oh, nothing much, man. Just sitting there chilling.
Chillin'. I like that style. We need your answers. So,
Okay.
what was you and mom's first date?
I know we went to, I think we went bowling and to a movie. I can't remember what we ate, man. Your mama probably remember all that stuff.
Yeah, I called her. She didn't answer. You know how that goes.
Yeah, she's at work. Hey, Alyssa.
Hi.
So y'all went bowling. Did you win?
Probably, your mom, she's a really competitive person, so I try to keep things close when I play her stuff like that.
I know what that life's like.
Yeah. Yeah, I won.
Nice.
We could go bowling.
All right, so our options are bowling, which, fun fact, I do not like bowling.
Name's bowling. As soon as he said bowling, I was like, yeah.
Oh, bowling. So a bowling double date with veal parmesan with a movie.
We'll have to combine all of the
So
dates
do we
together.
combine all of them? Do we just mix our elements and try to do it?
I think right now we need to figure out what we can physically do with what is open.
All right, fair enough. All right. We have Disney Plus. That's a movie.
That's true. We don't have to leave the house.
We don't have to leave the house, which is kind of difficult to leave the house. In case you didn't know, guys, the coronavirus is popping right now. So
You didn't know.
So we're trying to figure out how to do a cool date without being irresponsible. So
Or because nothing is open.
yeah, that too. Nothing is open. All right. Let's come up with a plan.
Let's come up with a plan.
Okay, guys. So here is the plan that Alyssa and I came up with. Oli, are you ready? She's ready. So Alyssa's parents did veal parmesan and took a walk, watched a movie Underneath the Stars, right?
Well, something like that. They
Something like
watched
that.
a show in an
amphitheater.
Yeah.
Amphitheater. My parents went bowling. I don't really remember what they wore or what they ate, but my dad said they went bowling and he won. So because we can't go bowling and go out in big mass places right now, here's the plan. Lay it on him, honey.
So we're going to cook dinner here. Our take on veal parmesan, which is probably going to be a chicken parmesan with like zucchini, something like that.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. And then we're going to take the iPad outside and we're going to watch a movie under the stars.
There you go. And we're going to do some Wii bowling. I'm just kidding. We don't have actually we do have Wii bowling.
Can we do Wii bowling?
We could totally Wii bowl.
Can we please do that? I am awesome at Wii bowling.
I am terrible at Wii bowling.
Perfect.
I don't know why I even brought that up.
This is gonna be a great day.
All right, we have a plan. Let's see if we can do it. All right, guys, as you can imagine, with the whole coronavirus situation going on, we're running into a little bit of issues this round. However, a lot of bit of issues, but we were able to go grocery shopping to find just what we need to make some chicken parmesan at our home. So it's not veal, but it's a nice alternative.
Close enough.
We also got some pancetta here, also known as Wright's bacon. But
Bacon.
check out the sauce we got. It is some Classico organic. Ooh, you fancy.
Well, there's no sugar added.
Ooh, nice. Tomato basil. And Alyssa, she might also make some gluten-free cookies. Hey-o. Let's get started.
Dessert.
Let's get started.
Hanging around with nothing to do. Summer loving, give me something. I'm about to lose my mind.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Check this out, guys. That looks pretty good.
It looks so good.
Looks like it's pretty keto friendly.
I'm very impressed with this actually right now.
So guys, we made our own little chicken parmesan, and it's got
In zucchini boats.
zucchini boats. You crushed that.
Thanks.
So it's got like garlic bacon, chicken, with like panko breadcrumbs, which I guess technically takes it out of the keto category. So
Well, we're not keto, so
we're
it doesn't
not,
matter.
but hey. All right, so we're gonna eat this food, and then I'm gonna whoop you in some bowling.
Bring it on. This is how my mother weebles. Are you ready? Yeah, you might have to back up.
Back up so I can see this. Oh, the form. Wow. Look at that, guys. She got 8 pins.
She's got a good technique going on. Yes!
Spare. Goodness. Honey, you're really good at this.
Yeah. It's my mama.
Coronavirus, what?
What? Let's see how good you are, Mr. Oh, I missed your Weemoji. What is this called? Okay.
3 pins.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh no!
Oh!
I think you're beating me right now.
Oh, that's a shocker.
Look how cute I am.
You're the bowler. Guys, so obviously we couldn't go find a real bowling alley because of the coronavirus, but Alyssa and I are having a great time just hanging out in the middle of our living room playing the Wii U. It's cool. Yeah. Dang, it's a strike.
Yes! In your face.
It's great playing you. It's so fantastic.
I'm having a great time. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm good at that.
Getting the one pin.
That's the one I was going for. That one.
Oh, you were just getting one?
Yeah.
You're going for one?
And then I go straight up like that.
That's not the point of bowling.
And I hit a couple more.
Okay. Okay, you got 3.
I got 3.
Okay.
Are you winning?
Yes.
Cool. I can't make a comeback unless I'm behind.
Okay.
That's how it works, guys.
Okay. All right. That's how that works.
And I said, ooh, I'ma get a half of the town in the mood. We be throwing that in Kalamazoo. Thinking I went platinum the sound of the room. And people gonna be tracking me down with the truth. Oh no, that's true.
It's your winning dance.
Yep. I beat you. It's fun.
You're incredibly humble.
I know.
I dig it. So guys, Alyssa definitely dropped the hammer here.
I had to warm up first. I kind of failed that first.
It's all good. It's all good. What'd you think about today's date?
I thought it was fun.
Yeah?
I liked getting to hear our parents' first dates.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That was so cool.
I liked that they were like going back in the archives.
Yeah, I was like, oh,
trying
this is a good memory.
trying to figure it out. This is pretty cool. I'm glad that we still have this Adventure Challenge book because we are going to be spending a lot more time inside.
Inside.
So, is what it is, but you know, hey, socially distancing in a cool way. Guys, if you want to check this out, the link is in the description box below. If you need things to do, inspiration, tons of stuff is in the book.
Yeah.
Anything else you gotta say? No?
I don't think so.
Guys, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Bye.
Peace. All right, round 2, let's go.
Let's do it.